Edit controls. Voice memo is drag voice show control resize delete. Stop editing controls. Voice memo text take voice no quick dark mode selected screen edit open controls. Screen stop microphone off microphone on.
Alexa,
Manny's
pause.
Apple Watch back button.
Hey guys, so let's pop it for today's
Sounds and ring 100 ring 1
video
silent
gonna be a little
mode
different.
switch haptics silent mode ringtone text ringtone
Today,
jingle
I'm
button.
gonna show you one of the things that you can do in watchOS 11 on the Apple Watch, and that is customize the ringtones and all the other alerts.
Silent ringtone jingle
I'm gonna show you
button.
the ringtones. I have mine set to
Pable's
jingle.
default button
Here's the default.
selected. Pable's default.
I have my Apple Watch on my wrist right now, so you guys can hear.
Focus button
Here's focus.
selected. Focus jingle
Jingle,
button
the one I'm using.
selected. Jingle
It's jingle.
night talk button
Night talk.
selected. Night talk transmit button
Transmit.
selected. Transmit twirl button
Twirl.
selected. Twirl
I have my Apple Watch on, like I said. But you guys won't be able to hear the haptics because it's on my wrist.
wind up button wind up button
Wind up.
selected. Wind up wonder button
Wonder.
selected. Wonder
I'm gonna set mine back to
one night jingle
Jingle.
button selected. Jingle sounds and haptics back button. Manny's Apple Watch all watches
Voice over.
button.
It's 1:41 p.m.
That was all the ringtone on the Apple Watch. Thank you for watching.